Coconut pancake?
Yeah, coconut pancake.
I'll try it. So look, you can see it right at the top here.
Look guys, this is the middle of nowhereness that we are right now.
There's nothing. So we have to walk all the way up. Look at the amount of steps. This is one of the most insane places I've ever been. Here's off his rocker. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Max and we are now in
Lampang.
and we are going to have an absolutely incredible day today. We have got so many sights to see and so many places to go. We've got the motorbike. We're just going to go travel all day. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning and we are going to go to a morning market. We're just passing this temple and look at that. Wow, that is incredible.
Straight, then turn left.
You can't go through there.
It says that apparently we can go around here.
Let me walk it. So it says that we should go
Like
that way. No, that way. No?
well kind of, it might be that road though.
Let's go. Let's go. There's loads of dogs. Let me jump on. Stop. I turned around the corner and like 5 dogs just started barking at me. I was like, nah.
Okay, we've got a new one.
Then turn left.
Oh,
It's
we're
the
going.
spooky one, it's this one.
Oh, it's this one. No. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. This is where I got chased by them dogs.
is this okay?
There's loads of dogs in there,
No,
man.
I ain't going down there.
There are loads of dogs in there.
We need to turn round.
Yeah, we're not going that way. There's too many dogs. Coconut pancake?
Yeah, coconut pancake.
I'll try it. So look, you can see it right at the top here.
Look guys, this is the middle of nowhereness that we are right.
Oh, so this is it? Straight. Yes, now, bro. Yes, I do.
As if it was just that turn. Why was it trying to make us go?
Head southwest.
We've said something, haven't we? Like we've said something the past few days that Google's not liked. It's been like, yeah, I know these dogs reside here.
We're at the market, and then it is just over there. Yeah.
I think that's still setting out.
Yeah, we're early. We're early to the early market. Oh yeah.
Medium dark.
So we are getting 2 coffees. Cool, man. All right, let's.
We have time though today. Like
Yeah.
at least we're up.
Yeah, we are up and at 'em. Oh, we can definitely walk around the park. Look at this place. Wow. Wow, what an incredible morning. Look at that. With the coffees.
Lampang.
Do you get much better?
bringing it through with a beautiful view.
Yeah. It's so nice that there's not many tourists here as well.
You can actually tell by the locals a bit more as well. Like they
Yeah.
seem, they make the effort to say something because it's not normal. I think that they get this chance to speak to a lot of tourists.
Yeah, to be able
Like,
to practice English and stuff.
yeah, you get a lot of people like saying hello and then smiling, having a little giggle to their friends, which is cute.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's fun. I like it.
Nice. Nah, I'd definitely spend a bit of time here.
I'd spend
this
more
is a lot
time
more
here.
chill and like.
I think there's a lot to do around here as well.
Yes.
Like if you hire a bike and you're willing to drive,
Oh,
maybe
we're going
3
to
hours
some
of driving in a day.
insane places today.
Like, yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Back at the market, and I have seen some stuff in my time. But what is that? It's been open like an hour and 15, something like that. So let's get some food. I think we're gonna do like yesterday. Just get a bit of everything and just test it out. Charlie is gonna get this omelette wrap thing, and I'm gonna go have a little walk around. So what food am I gonna get? Oh yeah. Hello.
เราเป็นจิตอาสาเราเป็นผู้สูงวัยขอมอบเพลงให้ความสุขถ้าวันใดท่านเกิดทุกข์เสียงเพลงเราช่วยปลุกใจ
Good morning. Hello. I'm just looking.
เราจะหนัก
What is that? Hello.
Yank cake.
Hello.
Coconut yank cake.
Coconut pancake.
Yeah, coconut pancake.
I'll try it.
Taro and panda.
Okay, I'll try one.
One box.
Yeah, please.
Please wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes, I'll come back. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna get one of them. It's like a coconut pancake. I'm not actually sure what it is, but definitely one of them. Hello. Ooh. I'm too tall for this. Jeez. Ooh. What food are we gonna get? Yeah. Hello. Morning. Which one's the best? This one or this one?
Vegetable roll,
Yep.
space roll.
Okay, cool. I'll try one of these, please. Alright, so this was 50 baht. Alrighty then. That looks very, very nice, that
Yeah,
bro.
I'm excited.
Looks very nice.
Omelette wrapped.
Yeah. And I don't know what it is, but it's like, I don't even know what it's like.
Oh,
you know?
dude, this is just like, this is wrong. It's so wrong, it's right. It's just like meat wrapped egg and rice.
That was actually really, really nice. I'm happy with that.
Same, I'm just very, I had to eat it without questioning the meat. They were like, they had definitely come from an obelisk, not an animal.
Wow. Dude. This is all clothes around here.
Oh, yo, are these cool sick cows? Or are these dresses?
They're dresses, I think. You wanna wear a dress, bro?
Yo, you know I'd rock a dress, don't even lie.
I wouldn't go
Am I
out
wrong?
with you.
I'm not wrong.
I wouldn't go out
Chat,
with you
would I
wearing
not,
a dress.
would I not rock a dress?
Sweet, sir. Oh, they actually look kind of nice, to be fair. It's only £6, you know.
So you think that's the orange?
Oh, maybe
The darker one?
maybe the darker ones. Maybe.
Pair of them?
Yeah, I could imagine you wearing the orange ones, to be 100% honest.
Is it?
But I don't know. Would you? You know your style, but you do wear bright stuff.
I know, and just them, with no t-shirt.
It looked pretty sick, and it's only £6.
In it. And they feel well nice.
Is this the price?
The special 250 baht.
250. Got a deal going for you.
And they are long enough.
Wait. He did the same.
Only in
It's slowly getting higher, this. I'm just matching his level.
Yeah, Chad.
Got the special price, 240. 40
Went down
baht
again.
off. So these are the pancakes. Very weird. Oh, money!
These look awesome though.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yo, my buzzer's just gone off, I think, to go get some coffee. I don't know if it's me. Let's see. Sawadee cup. Coffee cup. Coffee cup. Let's go for another coffee from that coffee spot. And also getting one of these and some of these. And there's a deal on the almond croissants for 25 baht instead of 95, which is crazy, so I'm getting 2 of them. And 1 timbering overload, because that is just such a great way of naming a sweet thing.
This is the pancake. Give it a try, broski.
I've got my peng ass sweets to try in a sec.
Nice.
Thoughts and feelings? You like pandan though, so you'll like that green.
Yeah, but try that one then. No pandan.
Chocolate.
There you go.
Oh, bro, that was a texture thing. Never mind taste. That texture was instantly not going in my mouth.
Next stop is the temple, and I think it's at least 1 hour drive, so we may take a stop off somewhere on the way. We are on the bike and it is 1 hour and 8 minutes, so we've got a hefty trip in front of us. Let's go!
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud.
Okay, so we're just stopping off on the way to get some cash. And it's the weekend, so we have the extra charge on there as well.
Yeah, keep that in mind. If you want to move money on Revolut, the weekend's a bad time.
We are at the 7-Eleven and we think the temple is on the top of here.
Yeah, I was
You
just
can actually see a little bit of it.
just speaking with one of the Thai ladies there a little bit, as much as I could, and she pointed up there and was like, temple. So,
That's
seems
pretty
solid.
cool, that. Yes, let's do it.
Through our phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side.
Good brakes on this bike, you know. I just saw us going down there then. Oh my gosh. What? So, that is where we are going. How are you supposed to get up there? So look, you can see it right at the top here. That is amazing.
And we're like in the middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere.
Yeah, fully.
Like, look guys, this is the middle of nowhere-ness that we are right now.
There's nothing.
Like that's not a city. That's the city.
Chiang Mai. Very, very nice. Yes. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is where we are going. Yo! Absolutely insane. Oh, is that a shrine or something? Charlie is just translating the sign.
So,
What does it say?
announcement from the Department of Rural Roads. Do not do anything that will cause damage to the highway, such as blocking the highway, destroying traffic signs, buying, selling, distributing on the road or shoulder, littering or overloading. For the following actions and permissions will be requested. Basically, please be nice to these roads.
Also, there's this like, I don't even want to be rude and call it the wrong name, but it's a shrine or something. It's a shrine, no?
Shrine. I think it's a shrine.
Yeah.
So we've just had a little look, and this is the shrine to the Lord of the Nagas. I believe this is the Lord. There is a chant. So Namo, Namo, Namo. May the Blessed One, the Naga, bless you, O Blessed One. I pay homage to you in body, speech, and mind. I'm gonna get this bit wrong, so I do apologize. Foshong Nakat Vishtviv. I pay homage to him, and then you would say that 3 times, and this is when you would put your incense in there.
Oh, very nice. I didn't get it! Oh, come on! Hey, yeah! Oh, look at my bag! Oh my gosh! Okay, so it's about 15 minutes time and we are going to the top of there. So let's go! I am so excited!
So clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions.
Okay, so we just saw like a gate down there, down the road, and that's after you buy your ticket. So you have to come up here first, and then buy your ticket, and then go back down, and then the road goes up there.
Ride down.
Yes, yeah. And then you'll ride up the road, I guess.
Hopefully.
Yeah, and I'm not hiking all the way up there. He left his key in the bike.
And the phone.
So I think you have to go up in one of these cars. I don't think we can just go up in the bike. Oh, we need to get a ticket here.
Sawadika. 2 adults.
Got our tickets. They were 490 baht. And like I say, I think you have to go up in a car. And we have to wait 5 minutes. Alright, we are in.
In the bando.
Charlie was just saying, I reckon we could get up here on the bike. And we've just, yeah, maybe not. Definitely on bike. Let me also understand the level on this camera. Look at our faces. We're dangling out of this sometimes. We are here at the top and we have to walk around this way.
Restroom.
No drones. Please take your shoes off. We're here?
Yeah.
Now? So we have to walk all the way up? Yeah. Cool. I'm in flip-flops. I should have brought walking shoes.
Yeah. Distance though.
Oh my golly gosh. Look.
This is full.
Oh no. Nah, we're all good, I'm joking. We can easily boss this. Round 2. So after this, we are going to go to a national park. It's only 11:30 and we're already doing this.
This is like an hour away.
Yeah.
Back, we're at this corner.
Yeah. Wow, look at the bridge. Look at the amount of steps. From there, that's the bridge down there. What? Let's go. Alright, looks like we're going this way. You can also go that way and we'll do it after, I think. Look at that. That is insane.
What I really want to hit is that gong.
Oh. That went on for ages.
Come on, do it.
Oh, I do.
Let's get a really nice shot on it.
That was absolutely insane. You were gonna get a gong.
I'm gonna get a gong. I'm a gong guy now.
Oh my gosh, look at this place. Oh my golly gosh. Wow. There's a monk right there, just sitting down. I don't know if I can take a video. He's meditating. What? I really hope you can see him.
Welcome back to Gong Hunters. We found another one today. That's what it's about.
Oh my gosh, have you seen this? Oh, Charlie just said that monk isn't real. Oh. And Charlie just said if he moves, he's going to jump off the edge. So we've just learnt some really interesting information.
Basically, the reason why you can hear 3 going off, and in the first few that I do, I only do 1. And then we got talking to some locals, and they were telling us that you meant to hit it 3 times, and I was like, why? And it's for the 3 treasures, so the Buddha, the law, and the priesthood. And it's the appreciation of those 3 things.
Gosh.
Wait, how are they up there?
No, that's the left side, remember?
Oh, no.
So we've only done half of it. A massive bell.
3, okay.
Ba ba bam. That is the car park. This is one of the most insane places ever been. It has all come down to this. Go on, Charlie. Which side? Go on. Very cool.
I felt really bad. I did the last one. I think I hit it a bit too hard because that guy like twitched. I think he's got earplugs in because he pushed his ear harder. That's what I do when I'm trying to put my loop earplugs a bit further in.
So you just deafened someone basically.
I feel a little bit bad for that. Yeah, he definitely was not happy. He was like, oh, not again.
Wait.
Oh, they made them.
Oh yeah, on the side of the cliff.
Tuning back into my hyperfixation of gongs.
Very nice. So we are moving on to the next place. No, we're going left, aren't we? Oh, yeah, true. Alright, so we got to the end. And no, unless you do some proper climbing, you ain't getting far. Very nice. So we have seen everything there is to see here, and now we are going to go to a national park that I'm also excited about, but we have to get off the side of this mountain because we are pretty much at the top. And we are back at the car park. Let's go down and look at this car, man. That will go anywhere.
That's what I want to take us up and down.
Yeah. Thought we'd finished, but apparently walk 150 meters down here and we will see a Buddha. Check this tree out. What? My life's a lie.
We've just had a bit of a moment.
We just had a moment. Look, it's a fake tree. It's a fake tree.
I was like,
Kind of done dirty a little
I
bit.
can see inside. I wonder how it's curving, like with the insides, and that's concrete, bro.
And now you say it, look, they're all cracking round here.
So that could have been tree cracks, but
No, but look, you can see the metal.
Yeah, and look at the features.
Yeah, oh. Pretty much at the Buddha. Just have to walk all the way up here. Wow. For the size, look how big it is. And then after we're gonna look up here. Wow. Oh. Okay, so we are actually going to go back to the car now, and then we are going to go to the national park.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy.
are back. Let's.
I might go get a drink for when we get our chair.
Oh my gosh! Look at this drink.
That's insane.
It's honey lemon.
All it's missing is ginger.
That is true. That is true. Oh, I'm getting one of them. Cool. So we have got a disgusting energy drink, and I asked the woman which one's the strongest one, and this is the one. It fully does just take like an even sweeter version of Red Bull. Charlie is balling, tipping out of control. We are going to go to the national park, and then we have almost a 2-hour drive back. On the road again.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder.
คนละ200 บาท
We got everything
One
we
person.
need,
200 บาท
Okay, 400. Can you put
500 เมตรถึงละ
blowing up a thunder, wash it over me.
600
We got
We're in the national park. So it was 200 baht to get in per person. So I'll put the price on the screen.
I'm here for that as well.
You can count. Alright, so we are at the national park and we are going to go see the waterfall. You can see it's here. And the two places I really want to see today is obviously the waterfall and the hot spring. So we'll do the waterfall first, then hot spring after that. Look at that tree.
Smell the air, bro.
It is huge, that tree.
You smell the sweet air?
Smell the air.
It's actually sweet here.
No, it is nice. So definitely on the way back we need to go to a petrol station.
Yeah, I don't get this bit because when we first started we had full tank and a big massive chunky bar at the top. That's the first bar of full. And it took ages for that to go, and that went today on the way here. And then from there each bar gets considerably smaller. It's not like gradual sizing down, it's like big one, not so big one, small ones. And we're in the small ones now and they're going a lot quicker than the big one did. So
We are far away from
yeah,
anything.
we'll be fine, we can coast. It's all downhill from here to mountain.
There's a little mini village in the national park. A bunch of shops and stalls and stuff. On the way back we might have to go there. Cool, they just gave us some fish food.
Sick!
Very cool. In little leaves.
Do you want to try one?
Dare ya. Whoa! Loads! Whoa! Wait! Yo, bro! And we are here. Look at that. Wow. Pretty good looking waterfall, that. Yeah. That is a huge tree.
I wonder what that would feel like where that water's been hitting for constant pressure for like however many years.
Wow.
This is considered jungle again, right?
I think it's maybe it's a forest just because we're close to the water. It has this extra wet.
Yeah.
Because that is like jungle.
Yeah.
Whoa. There is people.
There's definitely people. Is that a speaker?
I think it's drums. Walk up on some like tribemen. And there is army people there. We might want to go back. Construction. Yeah, I think this is the end of our road. Whoa. So there's this mould and it looks like shaving cream.
I wonder what its texture is.
Ooh, no, it's hard. Ooh. So we're just chilling on a rock and I am drinking this honey and lemon drink. And it's actually a sparkling tea. It's really nice. Sparkling green tea, sorry. Ooh.
Thank you, everything. Perfect day.
Nah, it's been a really nice day. So we are gonna start heading down to the hot springs. Whee! Look at this. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the hot springs now. So now we are in more like the park style place. It's really nice. Oh, look at all the rocks. Oh, these are hot springs.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Mineral pools.
These are the hot springs and mineral pools. Chaeson. Oh yeah, it is warm. Oh, it's very warm. Should feel the temperature of the water. Boy, no, this, yeah, that one.
Hot.
Chaeson. Hot, hot.
Very nice.
Oh, look at the colour of the water.
High mineral content.
Yeah. Let's walk up the stones.
Go work in the south.
No, that's bubbles.
Nah,
Definitely
bro,
not boiling.
That's hot.
Oh geez, that is really hot.
Yeah, dude, that's boiling.
Mad.
That's coming from geothermal tubes.
That is really, really hot.
I mean, that's a guess. Somebody might correct me, but I imagine this is geothermal.
Whoa, look at the colour of... They're cooking stuff in it.
Yeah.
Cooking eggs.
Look at that dead ass fly.
And
look at the colour of the rocks. That one would be very different. Dude, I reckon you'd instantly burn yourself.
What, if you touched it?
This one's green everywhere. Like it says caution, don't touch.
Hot that. Whoa, yeah, don't touch. Listen to the signs. Don't just jump in.
So cool.
Get cooked alive.
Holy, that is what would happen.
It is as well.
Yo, the heat creates this crazy stuff. That is gnarly. It stinks as well.
It does stink. Smells like exactly like eggs.
Maybe that's because everyone's cooking egg.
Yeah, why are they all cooking egg? I suppose it's easy to do.
Yeah, can't lie.
That is why it all stinks of egg. Because egg leaks out and then it just cooks.
And then it just like, that's bacteria.
That's
like,
probably, yeah.
That'll all be
That's probably
this
because
ecology and stuff. Like, look at all this mold. What looks like mold on rock. Just like that.
And that's obviously dried. That. Ooh, nice.
So they must be filtering these tubes from the really, really hot stuff into the spas.
Yes.
And they'll be using
Yeah,
that in,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
little tubs
Like dilute it kind of thing.
Yeah. Add some she just
What?
yeah. She mimicked me going, yeah.
All right, so we are back at the bike, and yeah, it's been a really fun day, and we are going to drive back all the way. It's nearly a 2-hour drive, so we're going to go to town, then we're going to get some food. I'll go to the market and then go home. That is the plan so far, because you don't want to be on the main roads at night, because that's when all the trucks and stuff come. We are off to the petrol station. Yes, good shout. Oh yeah, we only have 2 bars left.
Yeah, and I tell thee, these bars get slower. Wait until you see the fat bars.
We are down to 1 bar. Let's go to the petrol station very soon.
This petrol station is a petrol station. I've had it before, where it's not a petrol station.
At this point, we really need a petrol station.
I'm coasting this.
Yeah, we really need a petrol station.
I'm not putting any fuel into this.
Oh, yes!
Destination is on the right.
No, right. What are you on about? Please cross your fingers and hope they have fuel here. If they don't, we'll be in trouble.
Oh yeah, it's open.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Yes, bro. We are lucky.
This is so cool.
It's proper like little petrol station. We have filled the tank, and it was how much? 150. And that's for pretty much a full tank, because we were pretty much on empty. And we have full petrol again. Let's keep going. So that is where we went to the top of today. That is insane.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
We have stopped off for a coffee.
This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want.
So we are moving on again. Oh, I broke my thing! No!
Trip with you, leading on fire. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you, leading on fire. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? I dream that if I can hold you close, you can be my antidote. Let me
But obviously we came straight back to the flat. We're already here now. And it was an absolutely incredible day today. Like, I didn't expect it at all.
Breathtaking. What a
It
mistake
was
to have
amazing.
made.
Nah, nice one. I proper enjoyed it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and join me in the next one.
hold it when you're loving me, it goes like.